Welcome to this week's video, and we're checking out something really awesome because Wallace and Gromit have been put on a UK coin, and it's the 50 pence coin to be exact, and today we're checking out the Silver Proof edition. And this is the box in which it arrived. And we've got Wallace and Gromit there with a rocket in the distance. And then on the back we've got a bit of information which you can have a read of, but if I'm moving too quickly, just pause it. And then we've got Treasure for Life and Wallace and Gromit 2019 UK 50p Silver Proof coin. So let's just slide that out, put it to one side, and we're left with this sturdy box, which is classic of the coloured coins coming from the Royal Mint. And if I just open that up, put that to one side, we can see the coin. So I'll just take the Perspex box out for a second because we'll come on to that in a bit. Because I want to have a look first of all at all the information that you get, and then we'll check out the COA and the coin specs. So this is the information card, which I'll open up. And first of all, I'll just show you how it's all presented on both sides before we actually get in closer so that you can read the information. And some of it's upside down, so let me just turn that around. And we'll start over here. And I'm going to do my usual thing where I just scan along quite quickly. And if you do want to read any of the information and have a look at the images, then of course feel free to pause it and read at your own pace. And of course I do love silver proof coins, and I do love the packaging, and also you'll see the Perspex block in a second and the design that's going on there. But the brilliant uncirculated packaging is just brilliant. If you haven't seen it already, you will see it soon enough, either from my channel or somebody else's. But it's very interactive and it's very, very, very cool. So there we go. That is the information there. And now let's check out the COA. So my number is just under there. And let's have a look at the coin specs. So the denomination is 50 pence. The alloy is 925 Ag, the weight is 8 grams, the diameter 27.30 millimeters. The obverse designer is Jody Clark and the reverse designer Nick Park. The quality is proof, and there's a maximum coin mintage of 27,500 of the silver proofs, but in this presentation it does say 25,000. So there's 25,000 of these, which means that 2,500 have gone into some sort of other packaging. So that's pretty cool. More information there, and then on the back is the reason that we buy silver proofs in the first place, the Royal Mint hologram. Very cool. So now let's have a look at the Perspex and the design on that. So what we've got is this image of a rocket in the background, because obviously the coin depicts Wallace and Gromit looking out from a window on the rocket, so that's pretty cool as well. Let me just open that up, put that to one side. Now let's check out the coin. So we'll start off by having a look at the obverse of the coin. And 2019 with Jody Clark's 5th portrait of the Queen. I'll just see how much I can manipulate that in the light so that you can just see that beautiful frosted finish. I think that's as far as I can go. Yep. But that is, as always, stunning. Now let's check out the all-important reverse of the coin. And there it is. Wallace and Gromit on a 50 pence coin. How cool is that? And then on the top we've got some Latin, which means cracking cheese. Very fitting. But I do love this coin. The colours are so vibrant. Maybe I'm not doing justice for it right now, but that is so cool. So let me know in the comment section below, how many of you have bought this coin? And have you bought it in brilliant uncirculated, the silver proof edition, and is anybody actually going to confess to having enough money to have bought the gold proof edition? Let me know in the comment section below because that always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.